How to hack Instagram account. So if you want to hack Instagram account and if you want to know how hackers hack your Instagram account, then there are three ways to do so. So the first method is you can open up your Instagram, and once you open your Instagram, here under the messages section, which is on the upper right, you may receive message or a link which is called phishing. So if you have received some kind of link, then let me tell you one thing, that this video is just for the educational purpose only. And so let's move on to the video. So if you will receive, or if you have received any link of like Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media applications, if you have received that link, then your account will be hacked because it might contain some viruses or some scripts. So if you simply tap and open that link, then it will enter the viruses or something to your mobile device, which will extract the information from your computer or your mobile device to the hacker, and your account will be hacked. So there are also some websites or something on the Google or Chrome. So if you simply go for the Chrome or Google, and if you search for phishing website example link, search for that, and once you've searched, here you will have this kind of link, right? So here you will have this kind of interface, or if you have these websites, then these websites will create the hacker the links. So if you have these kind of links, then simply don't tap or don't press on that links. And the second method that the hacker hacks your Instagram account is also the type of link, or it is also the type of phishing. But if you have that kind of link and if you tap on that link, then it will automatically take you to the Instagram login page. So for example, if you go for your Google and then now you can search for Instagram login. So if you tap here, then it will take you to the login page, right? It will take you to the official login page. But if you simply tap on that phishing link, then it will take you to the login page, but the login page will be of the hackers. So if you enter your username, phone number, or your email address, and then your password, then it will not take you to the Instagram page, but instead of that, the information will be transferred to the hacker's account, and the hacker will have all of the information so that it will be easy for him to hack your account. So that's the second step. And the third step is of mod. So if you have to install a third-party application, so if you simply go for the YouTube, or if you go for the Google, then you can simply search for Instagram mod, and here you will have Instagram mod applications. So if something, or if you tap on the link, and it will direct you to install a third-party application, and once you install a third-party application, it will ask you to log in something or log into your Instagram account. Then in that case, you have to not install the mod application. So if you install the mod applications, then it will direct you to the login, and then your credentials will be tracked by the hacker. So these were the three steps in which the hacker hacks your Instagram account. But now the fourth step is to recover. So if you want to recover your hacked Instagram account, then what you can do is open up your Chrome browser and then go for the search, and then search for hacked Instagram account. Once you've searched, here you can go for the first search, which is hacked Instagram account, and then go for the first option, which is if you think your Instagram account has been hacked, and then tap on visit this page, which will take you to a link. And here you can simply go for login, which is on the upper right, or you can simply choose the first option and then tap on next. And here you need to verify your account, or you need to identify your account. So enter your username, phone number, or email, and then give it a go. So if your Instagram account is really hacked, then it will take you to the login page, where you need to simply tap on forgot password, and then once you tap on forgot password, try to reset or recover your password. And while resetting, you need to choose the video or photo option. So if you choose that, then you can simply recover your account. And if the hacker wants to hack your account, then in the same way, they will use AI generated photos or videos to verify the identity, and they will hack your account. So to recover, you can use the same process. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.